Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm doing a review of Autobrite Direct's Ceramic Infused Shampoo. This is after Richard reached out to me on a previous video. The car I've decided to show this on is the bonnet of my BMW E46. This thing is covered in dust and dirt, it gets blown up from the building site it's parked next to. I've initially rinsed it down to help remove some of the dirt before going in with the contact wash. I've used Autoglym Pure Shampoo, which doesn't include any gloss enhancers, wax or sealant additives. Rinsing down the panel, you can see there's a small amount of beading and water behaviour, but it's not a lot. This would be the residual Fuso coat that was applied early last year. To ensure we get a more fair test of this product, I've covered the bonnet in Autobrite Direct's Wax Off. This is to remove any last trace of the Fuso coat. This is a simple spray on and wipe off product. You can see the water behaviour is quite different and very flat. There's no protection left on the bonnet at all now. The shampoo itself is quite an interesting one. I've initially added a couple of capsules to the bucket and then frothed it up. In the space of a couple of minutes between moving shots, etc., I wanted to show you that the shampoo itself is not very frothy or bubbly. This is completely normal, and it's in fact the lubricity properties instead of the bubbles which make a good shampoo. So onto shampoo in the car. I've decided to apply this to a wet panel, as most of us would have performed some sort of pre-wash beforehand. I would recommend applying one panel at a time, and if they're larger panels, split them into sections, as it's quite hard to see where you've been because there's no suds. Rinsing off now, you can clearly see there's some enhanced water behaviour, and it's definitely applied some level of protection to the car. So, my final thoughts on this product. Would I use it as a standalone product? Yes, I think so. I wouldn't use this for trade use, because there are different products you would use instead of this one. But I certainly would use this for a true ceramic coated car, a car that's been waxed, or even just a car that has a quick detailer thrown out of it. I would also consider using this over the winter months, as it will provide a bit of extra protection. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please reach out to me in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see.